Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make Sarson Lahsun ki sabji, that is mustard and garlic recipe. So what I am going to use, I will show you some ingredients here. I have taken onions cut up, sliced up like this, about 6 to 7 small onions. I have taken potatoes. Without peeling the potatoes, I have taken garlic, onions, black mustard and the yellow mustard. All this I will grind and make a paste of it. Then I have taken tomatoes and some coriander. I have taken pachforan, turmeric powder, some chili powder and some mustard oil to make the recipe. I hope you all will like it. If you are new to my channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe. So come on, let us start the recipe. Put some mustard oil. Put the pachforan. Put the onion and garlic paste. Put the mustard paste also. Put the turmeric powder. Put some chili powder. And let the masala brown. The masala is almost turned brown, not very brown. Now I'll put in the potatoes. Put in the sliced onions. Put in the salt to taste. And let the onion and potato fry a bit. The onion and potato is fried up a bit with the masala. Now I will put some water. Put the tomato and coriander leaves. Cover it up till the potato cooks tender. Sarson Lahsun recipe is ready. Thank you for watching my video.